This is a 1927 Avion Voisin sedan. It's a French car. It has some very interesting details. An aluminum body and monocoque construction, first car with that. And it also has a fabric covering for the doors. The interior is very nice looking. Right-hand drive. And there you see the fabric covering on the doors. Very interesting detail. It also has a padded top and elaborate trunk here in the back, along with the spare French license plate, of course. They made other body styles too. They made a very streamlined version. They made a race car, or I should say a sports car. And I'm going to have a link in the description that will take you to a show where 5 of these cars were shown. And there's the elaborate dash there. A very unusual car, and one that you obviously don't see. This company was into the manufacture of airplanes, and I think that's where they got the idea of the fabric coating for the doors. Remember, early planes had fabric in their wingspan, so the idea carried over evidently. Very unusual. And my presumption is extremely rare.